Squarespace rental website tutorial, how to create rental website on Squarespace. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we do this using this platform called Squarespace. They provide us the opportunity to create our websites for free, or we can easily buy a paid plan. So in order to get started, just simply open squarespace.com and click on this button here or on this button in the right top corner. And after creating an account, we'll come to our dashboard where we need to click on create a website on this button here, and we'll come to next page where we can start from scratch, or we can easily find a lot of different templates we can use completely for free. I suggest you to find the necessary template, and after that we can easily customize it as we need. It's not necessary that we need to find a rental website directly, because we'll customize every single part, we'll change all images, and after that we'll be able to basically change all the content inside of the platform. So I'm going to use this website, this template here, but we can also customize it by simply using this thing. For example, we can find, maybe let's try to find real estate and properties, something related with a rental, and maybe this one here is even more suitable. So let's try to use maybe this template, why not? So we need to hover our mouse and then just simply click on start with this template, and in a few seconds we'll create it for ourselves. Nothing hard, we just simply need to set our title, let it be rental 1, and let's click on next, and get started. So what's interesting is that we can easily customize every single part inside of the like our landing page inside of our site, and we can also manage SEO settings and do some other things. So firstly, I would like to change the wall style, I'd like to change fonts, and we need to click on this icon in the right top side style. So let's click, and here I want to change a fonts, so let's click on fonts, and here click on switch, and let's change it to this one here, as for me it's more suitable for my purposes. And also I would like to change color palette, so let's open colors, edit palette, and let's try to find something suitable. As for our case, I'm going to use, I think that this color palette is the best one. So let's go back, and we can also add animations, of course. I'm going to use fade, and we can change spacing if it's necessary. Let's try to see how will it look like. I think that I would like to use these parameters right up here. We can also change buttons if it's necessary, but I won't do this. In my case, it's really suitable. So let's close this window and let's click on OK, and let's click on save. So now we need to open some additional things. Basically on the marketing area, we can easily connect our email campaigns. We can manage SEO, but let's start with redesigning the website. Let's click on edit, and on the editor page I'd like to change the header. Let's click on change, and here we need to change site title and logo. I'd like to change it to rental helperman. I will not add my logo because there is no logo yet, so we need to design it. And also we can add some additional stuff, but as for me it's enough. What is interesting on Squarespace is that we can easily add sections if it's necessary. So we can add a section, for example, with our contacts, our about information, about our company, about ourselves, about people, for example, if you have a team. So let's add this section here, and I would like to move it down. So here we can easily add information about our team. For example, let's click on this section, and I need to click on edit. So let's manage our content. For example, for this girl here, let's manage her description. Let it be rental expert. So yeah, let's change it to this. Also, let's manage this guy here. Let him be also rental expert. And one more thing is that I would like to manage this girl, also a rental expert. And I would like to remove the second line of the workers. So let's delete this one, and this one. So now it looks only like this. We have 3 more members inside of our team, and I want to delete this block here. And now we have the small website with this object directly. We can add a description. By the way, let's try to add it right up here. So we need to click on edit section, and here we need to click on this text. Object 1, 2 room inside, and let's make it bold. Let's make it a little bit bigger for this one here. And here we can add some additional information. In my case, I'm going to use like best variant for you. Of course, you can add some additional stuff if it's necessary. So now let's click on save, and let's view how will it look like as for us. Let's open our workspace, click on the icon, and if you click on this link, we can easily open our current website. As you can see, all the changes were automatically added, and it's pretty cool, pretty easy to use. And if we'll try to explain, if we'll try to open our plans, paid plans, we can see that we have like personal and business. In our case, more suitable is business plan, $22 per month. We can find that there are a lot of additional features if we'll try to compare it to personal. And we can easily run our websites for rental business with the help of Squarespace. So yeah, nothing hard inside of the platform, and you can easily build it with the templates we have. So hope this video helped you out, and now you know how to build a rental website on Squarespace. Have a good day, leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.